Hello everybody, I'm Wasik from TGN, Traditions Global Network, and today we'll be following up the video from last week, which was a Band 9 native speaker IELTS speaking, and we'll probably give you today an IELTS speaking Band 8, Band 9, probably another high band from our wonderful revised sir. And for more tips and tricks, always like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Mr. Rubaid, are you ready for your IELTS speaking exam?
Yes, I am.
Okay, great. So I guess I'll start with part one, all right?
Yeah, please.
Okay. So do you have a favorite book when you were a child?
Yes, I did actually. I used to read Harry Potter a lot. The series are full of fantasies and mystery and full of lots of fictitious characters. So I liked it a lot.
Great. How much reading do you do for your work or your studies?
Actually, I'm still studying because I want to get prepared for my PhD, and that's why I like to every day I like to read for 2-3 hours approximately. Do some research work whenever I get time.
Good. What kinds of books do you read for pleasure?
Actually, I'm a good reader. I would say I'm a bookworm, I should say, because I like to read a lot of fictions and lots of short stories, books. But even I like to write short stories in my leisure time. So that's why for the inspiration I like to read some thriller or this kind of story books.
Great. Do you prefer to read a newspaper or magazine online, or would you rather buy a paper copy?
I like to read it online because it's more flexible to read in that way. You can go around with it, and it's kind of had the mobility, and you can download if you want to save it for your future work, future study or research. Okay. So it's very convenient in this way.
All right. Now I'm going to give you a piece of paper and the cue card, and I'll give you 1 minute to prepare for your cue card, okay?
Okay.
So here's your piece of paper and pen.
Thank you.
And here's the question for you, okay? You may take 1 minute to prepare. You ready to go?
Yes.
All right. You may begin.
Actually, a big city I would like to visit would be Cox's Bazar because it's the largest sea beach in the world and it's a very famous tourist spot. And most of the people of our country and even the tourists from other across the world come every year to visit this place. And I like to go there by bus. But bus journey because I can see the environment and I can have the a real experience while I'm journeying with my friends or relatives. I can when I reach there, I will definitely enjoy the sunrise and the sunset, and I like to have spend some time over there with in the sea beach. So I can get to know the sea beach. Actually, I came across this idea from my sister, who has already visited this place 5 or 6 times in the previous years. So she has really told me about this Cox's Bazar and how to where they have the good market over there where you can buy lots of foods, seafoods, and you can visit the market while you're traveling, you can do shopping around in the market, and you can buy lots of products which are only available in Cox's Bazar. So that's why I would like to visit this big city, and I think my dream would become true in very sooner this year.
Very good. Okay. Now we'll move forward to part 3. Now we'll be talking initially about visiting cities on holiday. All right. So what are the most interesting things to do while visiting cities on holiday?
On holiday, because when you are like taking you are free of work, free and you should go to visit some city, like I've already mentioned the Cox's Bazar. You can go there and you can enjoy some time with your friends or relatives.
Good. Can it be expensive? Let's say, how about that? Can it be expensive to visit cities on holiday?
It depends. Like if you are staying in a like luxurious hotel, like 5-star hotel, then it will be more expensive. But if you stay in a like casual hotel, or you can have if you have some relatives over there, you want to stay with them for some times. For the time being, if you want to stay with there, it will be convenient for you.
Great.
I guess.
Do you think it's better to visit cities alone or in a group with friends?
I would prefer to visit city with a group of friends, because you can hang around with friends anywhere. They will give you, they will share knowledge about, and the practical knowledge, actually I should say, about the cities, because if they have the previous experience about that particular place, they will share with you instantly, and you can have a good time with your friends.
Very good. Now we'll talk about the growth of cities. Why have cities increased in size in recent years?
Most of the people, I would say, like to live in a city area because of the facilities they're getting and the updated life which they like to live in. So that's why the city area size is increasing day by day.
All right. What are the challenges created by ever-growing cities?
Ever-growing cities are creating challenges such as like traffic jam, and I would say like lots of automobiles are coming, and people are buying lots of automobiles, and that's what creating transport congestion in the city area.
Great.
Every day we are facing lots of challenges like this in the city.
All right. And in what ways do you think cities of the future will be different to cities of today?
Cities of the future will be different from today, because they'll be less chaotic in terms of if I say an example of Dhaka city. Today's Dhaka city is very chaotic and full of traffic jam, but then after 10 years I would think there will be there will be less traffic jam and less chaos, and people will live in with peace and harmony, and there will be lots of amusement parks for the children and the people, where they can hang around and have a nice time with their family and friends.
Okay, great. That's the end of your speaking exam. You did a good job.
Thank you.
So that's the end of our video for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Always remember to like, share, and subscribe. We will be continually uploading videos about IELTS and all types of other IELTS-related videos, and for tips and tricks and things like that. I want you guys to remember this is a learning process, okay? Just because you see videos online of people giving band 7s, band 8s, doesn't mean that you are doing anything wrong. Keep on practicing and you'll get up there too. Thank you so much. I'm Wasik from TGN signing out.